You say God never wastes pain.
You know, I've had a lot of pain in my personal life. I grew up in a very dysfunctional family, alcohol, physical abuse. And I have seen how the principle or the idea that God never wastes pain comes to fruition. If I felt like I had to go through some of those things based upon just the torture of it all, it wouldn't be worth it. But I can almost tell you in every instance that I can think of, it's made me a better person and made me stronger. I don't think that I've gone through pain just because I'm going to be able to relate to other people. I hate pain. I think it's silly. I think it's unnecessary. But I think God uses that pain. It's not his perfect will for us, but he will turn it around. We see it in the life of Joseph when he was thrown in a pit and his brothers left him for dead, and he ended up ultimately saving their lives. You know, what the Lord or what the enemy intended for evil, the Lord used for good.